Welcome to the home of the DIY movement, where we build stuff and paint things.
Truckin' Tuesday, man. What'd you just do?
We're back.
Yeah, we're back. What are these?
These are door panels. They go on the bottom of the inside of the door, where the carpet would usually go. There's like a piece of carpet. So I figured I'd switch it up.
Bead rolled.
Bead rolled.
We're gonna weld them.
Yeah, we're gonna
just weld them on.
Weld them on. Yeah.
So right now we're getting ready to epoxy them. We D8 them down. He D8 them down, 80 grit. Cleaned them. We just wiped them down right now. The cab, I think the filler work on the cab is done. We buttoned up the firewall a little bit. All these little buttons really is where it needed help. We just used off and glazed by hand and then sanded by hand. Fill these, really nothing to show off, but it does look good. And then we had a little bit of work here. And down here, it's finished in 180. Back there, really ain't trying to get this mirror finish because the bed covers it, but we don't want any dents. Here, here, and here. Take over here, show you the door. The door, the mirror holes or side mirror holes were deleted. Filled that in. I end up skim coating the whole door. Hit it with 80 on the black diamond, and then 180. Finished it in 180. This first round of filler work. I don't expect it to be done, but I say it's about 80% done. So had a lot of little dents. I figured we just skim the whole thing, save some time instead of chasing our tails. And that was all day. Got Bobby in there. We'll go ahead and get him, even though this video ain't about him. Ooh-wee, man. Bobby just got off his job, his weekend job. He just DA'd this down with 2,000. It's looking good. We're seeing more of a reflection. I think he did the front by hand. And then he quit. You still going?
Yeah, top.
Oh, you gonna do the top? Okay. You gonna do that today?
Yeah, I'm starting it.
Okay. All right. All right.
Like I heard 8.
Yep. Yep. You're working. Second job. What's in there?
Water.
Soap or water?
Water.
Just straight water.
You clean it off.
Huh?
You just clean it off.
Oh yeah, it's got a lot of stuff on it, huh?
Dust and rat shit and...
Yeah, you definitely want the surface clean before you start doing that. I'm gonna get back to the truck over here. Man, it's hot though. I don't have my my thing in here. It's in here. Yeah. How hot is it?
Hotter than...
93, man. In the shade.
Shit. Welcome to Texas.
And it's only May. So you want to chase that, remember? You don't want to... But that's good, you're not spraying it on it, huh? Here. Alright. So, we're going to do a giveaway, man. We ain't done a giveaway in a while. I figured we'll do a giveaway. If somebody can tell me how many ounces you think it's going to take to do what we're going to spot in right here. Firewall. Spot in the firewall, spot in all the filler work, coat these 2 panels over here, and the door. I ain't gonna say how much we make, so whoever can get it the closest number, I'll send you something. So bring you back once we start spraying.
I would start where I started, just to spot in, yeah. You'll see how I dialed it back, so yeah. See, it's lighter, so you can see. There you go. Yeah. All right. Good. Good. Real good. Yep. Here, okay, you go ahead and finish that, but I'm gonna show you something. Here, you want to get away from what you're doing is this. You don't want to do that. You want to do this. Okay. Because this is going to be light. See? Yeah. So you're doing like this, which depends on what you're spraying, but see, a little light there. You're doing like this. Firewall, I guess. Just get it coated.
But we're going to do a second pass or no?
We probably will. A little more here. It's still light. Okay. That side of the cab. There you go. Yeah. All right. Let's make sure we got enough hose. You want to come back around this way, probably. You got to do this? Do the door. Distance. Way closer. Way closer. Yeah. There you go. Good. Good. 50%. That's good. Yep. Yep. All right. Probably have to open the door. You want to come back around on this side. Yeah. Yep. Where you left off. Yep. 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 And then you want to go around the edge of the bottom half of the door, because we sanded it to bare metal, not yeah, it went a little bit heavy. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna sand it anyways. Go ahead and knock those pieces out. It's okay. There you go. Yeah. Yep. You can flip it around, or you can go on the other side if you want.
All right, here we are, man. Didn't really do a whole lot of recording, but we did get some good progress on. So where we're at now, these things are coated. The cab bodywork is done. The driver door bodywork roughed in. I don't think it needs much more. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the cab to the side. That's some trash that landed when I popped that door open. I'm going to push the cab to the side. Wait for it to wait to get everything up to speed with the filler work, and then hopefully use a polyester primer on the whole project at one lick instead of doing it in sections. So cab's looking pretty good. He replaced the cab corners and the rockers on it, and then of course we installed these molded shaved firewall plates. So we're gonna park that to the side, man. The door wasn't bad. I ended up, like I say, skim coating the whole thing. We're gonna have to do the same on the other door. That's probably a day's worth of work, and then move on to the bed. So everything's moving right along. The hood is done, tailgate is done, the fenders are done, the cab is done, and that door is almost done, man. So hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Truckin' Tuesday. We're gonna keep it moving. Still working on bobbies, man. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.